Hi, this is Mihnia. In this episode of Learn Mongolian, my Mongolian friend and Olympic archer Gangtos Jansan will teach you how to count from 30 to 40 in Mongolian. Let's begin the lesson.
Thirty,
Qoch, qoch,
31,
qochinnik, qochinnik,
32,
qochin хоёр, qochin хоёр,
33,
qochin гурав, qochin гурав,
34,
qochin дөрөв, qochin дөрөв,
35,
qochin тав, qochin тав,
36,
qochin зурга, qochin зурга,
37,
qochin долоо, qochin долоо,
38,
qochin найм, qochin найм,
39,
qochin ёс, qochin ёс,
40.
40, 40.
And that's the end of our Learn Mongolian lesson. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more. And let us know in the comment section below how far are you with your Mongolian studies. Salut! This is Mihnia. Travel more. Live life.